Chapter 4. Being Active. Rohan, let's go and play in the park. Good. Playing is very necessary for us to keep fit and healthy. Most of us like to play games in our free time. Games are very essential to keep our body and mind fit. They keep us active and energetic. Everyone should play games for the sake of good health. We should play games in open places, like parks and playgrounds, as we can get sufficient space and fresh air there. Most of the people like to play in the evening. Games are a great means of entertainment or recreation. The activities which we do in our spare time are called recreational activities. Recreational activities help us relax and calm. The spare time which we spend on different recreational activities is also called the leisure time. Outdoor games. The games we play outside our house, in a ground or a court, are called outdoor games. Cricket, football, badminton, hockey, basketball and cycling are outdoor games. Some other outdoor games are volleyball, soccer and swimming. Some children also like to play hide and seek, kho-kho, kabaddi, pithu and hopscotch. We also see children skating and skipping. Outdoor games are one of the best forms of exercise. They keep our body active and fresh. Indoor games. The games we play inside the house or any closed space are called indoor games. Ludo, table tennis, billiards, snakes and ladders, chess and carom are indoor games. Nowadays there are different types of video games and PlayStations. They are very popular among children. Sometimes children, parents and grandparents play indoor games together. Some children like to play with toys and dolls. Many games can be played alone. There is no need of a team. These games are known as individual games. Cycling, swimming, bowling, golf, etc. are individual games. There are some games which are played by two teams. They are called team games. Each team has a group of players which play against another team or group of players. Cricket, hockey, football, kho-kho, volleyball, soccer, etc. are some very popular team games. All the games have their own set of rules. A referee or an umpire supervises the game to ensure that the rules are being followed. Team spirit. Team spirit is the feeling of unity and harmony among the players of a team. It enables them to cooperate and play well together. The players of a team play as a unit. They share the common aim to compete and win against the opponent team. Games played in the past. Long ago, there were no televisions and video games. The overall health of the children in the past was much better than the health of the children in the present times. The children in the past used to play outdoor games in open fields. They used to play kabaddi, pithu, hide and seek, hopscotch, langritang and many other games which required more physical efforts. Children used to enjoy playing gilli-danda, marbles, kanche, kikli and many more games. Game as profession. Some people play games professionally. They play games to earn money. Such players are called professional players. Professional players practice a sport continuously for long hours so that they can become expert in their respective sport. They are given a salary for being a member or player of the national team. Sachin Tendulkar, the great Indian cricket player, has been the best batsman in the world. Vishwanathan Anand is India's chess champion or grandmaster. He has won many national and international chess tournaments. Some other professional players are P.V. Sindhu, Bachung Bhutia, Virat Kohli, Mary Kom, Vijender Singh, etc. Some games that people play professionally are cricket, football, hockey, badminton, baseball, boxing, athletics, wrestling, polo, billiards, snooker, archery, weightlifting, and table tennis. Adventure sports. Adventure sports are also very popular all over the world. Yachting, river rafting, windsurfing, scuba diving and hang gliding are some of the adventure sports. They are risky but exciting.